Okay. K2Bs, we're gonna do a fun surface for paint pour Sundays. Okay. Kind of going with colors I don't like, but might look really pretty. And some white. Oh, I bought some Floetrol. Gonna give that a try. Because I like the Liquitex, but that's way cheaper. By about $16. So let's get our colors mixed. We're gonna do, let's see, some white. We're gonna do some purple. So I gotta make 3 dirty cups to pour, and I'm gonna try to make them all the same. See how that comes out. I'm gonna do some orange. I wanna definitely make sure I have enough. And some yellow. It's like Easter colors, but I think they'll look really good on a pot. You know what I mean? Now, what I'm doing is, this is what I've been told, is mixing brands will give you, wait, where is it? Artist Loft, Craft Smart, and Deco Art. Mixing brands gives you way better effects. So I'm gonna see if that's true. All right, so we got our paint in there. Now we'll do our Floetrol. Floetrol. This binds the colors, keeps their pigment, so they don't mix too much together. They stay separate. Okay, so we get that mixed first. Really good, because you don't add water or oil until the Floetrol and the paint have binded together. Things I learned. God knows I watch enough videos. See, it doesn't change the color of the paint either. Doesn't, just because it's white, it doesn't make the purple lighter. Okay. Well, see, I noticed that orange is a more fluid running paint. Like this Artist Loft white is thick. And then this, and I'm okay with having a thicker paint for these than I am on my canvas, because I won't be like tipping things. This yellow is so pretty. All right, now I'm gonna add my touch of water, and I'll show you how you want it to flow. So I'm being very careful. 3 drops. Because this is already pretty liquidy. Some paints are, and some are thicker. And I know if you buy the golden tubes, they're really thick. So they're like $4 a tube. Where these are like 70 cents a piece at Michael's. Perfect. Let's see how this one is already. Just a touch. I'm gonna say 1 drop. There. Now, I don't want this to look like tie-dye. So I'm gonna put some oil in here. And I'm gonna mix it up really good because I don't want big cells, I want a bunch of little ones. And it smells like coconut. What a bonus. Somebody asked me what I was using. And I just bought this OGX coconut milk. It's an anti-breakage serum for your hair. So I get a double bonus out of it. Oh, it's so dry in here, I can't stand it. 2 little drops. I only did 1 drop of water in this one because it's pretty fluidy. Oil, squirt, squirt. Oh, this white is so thick. So you actually get worth your money with the white. If you buy the Artist Loft, that big jug. Some people use Behr premium house paint. So like, can you even imagine opening and closing that? Forget it. Perfect. I'll put 1 little drip in there. Because I do want some action on these. Alright, you ready? Okay, so first color in is the last color out. But I'm doing something different. I'll show you. We want these to all be even. I'm not doing circle pour. I'm doing a mixed. So, yes. The higher up you go, the more it mixes in there. Do orange. Watch, I'm doing the same thing in each cup, and watch how different they come out. It's gonna be crazy. Diggs, he's trapped in the kitchen with me. Alright, we'll use up whatever's left of everything. Actually, we just have purple. No, we just have orange, no? Purple. Just have a little bit of purple left. It's a pretty strong color. So it might take over. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now I'm gonna take this white one and just do a few pushes to get things to move around. Because I don't want to dump it and all I have is white at the top. Okay, they look pretty cool. Let's see what happens. Wow, that looks so wild. Hold on, Tiggs. Okay. Sorry, I got a phone call for my birthday. Anyway, so they're all poured. They turned out pretty cool. And then I moved the paint away from them and scooted them so that they won't have this big puddle of paint. Aren't they cool? I'm getting cells from the oil. I'm getting some cool stuff going on here. Actually, those colors turned out pretty cool. So we'll see what they look like in a couple hours when they dry some more. Yeah, I'm gonna put those up in my windowsill. I think I'm really gonna enjoy painting on objects too, other than just canvas. These are so cool. I like how they all came out different, even though I did the same in each. Alright, we'll see. Okay. They're almost dry. Are they pretty? And then I'll do a glossy finish on them. And then if I put yellow, white, and purple little flowers in it in the spring and put them in my windowsill, they'll be beautiful. Okay, guys. See you later.